grown-ass man calls mom over parking ticket.
An officer catches this car parked in a Walmart parking spot reserved for law enforcement. The car immediately pulls out of the parking spot after noticing the officer.
Dude, I always think about pulling into those. That's exactly what I think would happen, too.
And then pulls into a gas station. The officer then initiates a traffic stop. As you watch what happens next, just keep in mind this could have been
Just for parking there, though? For like a second? Or like the whole time?
a simple parking ticket.
Hey, good afternoon. Any idea why I'm stopping you?
No, I don't.
Well, hey, somebody called in complaining that you're parked in the law enforcement parking spot.
Oh, there's a snitch. That's what happened.
They saw that you might have been acting a little strange. They wanted me to make sure you were doing okay.
Okay. Yeah, I'm doing good. I just went there to go pick up some brake cleaner for my stepdad, so I apologize for parking in the wrong spot. Here's my ID.
Okay. Who's your dad? Your stepdad?
Charles.
Okay.
Laura.
Okay. They live here in town?
Yeah, I'm getting my car fixed right now, so.
So you're just borrowing this car?
Yeah, this is my mom's car.
Okay. Any idea why somebody might call in saying that you're acting a little weird?
No, I don't.
Anybody else in your car with you?
No, there's not.
And I know not right now, but when you were over at Walmart?
No, there wasn't.
When was the last time you smoked marijuana?
Oh, that's probably why he's going in on it. He probably stinks like a skunk.
A long time ago. I don't smoke anymore.
When you rolled down the window, I smelt it.
That's impossible because I don't smoke marijuana at all. My mom doesn't smoke. Nobody smokes marijuana.
Well, I'm still smelling it now, so.
I don't know. I feel like it's kind of weird to mention that your mom doesn't smoke either. That's so odd. That's such a weird deflection. That's not what a normal person would say.
How though?
How? With my nose.
I don't smoke marijuana though.
Okay. Well, it's not your car, so maybe it's in here and then somebody else is smoking in here.
It's not. There's no marijuana in here. I mean, I can call my mom right now and I can ask her.
You don't need to do that right now.
Let me call her.
Why does he keep involving his mom? No one even said his mom other than him.
And I'll tell her I'm pulled over here.
You don't need to call it right now.
If you want to run my license plate, I'll let them know I'm pulled over and they can come here and just...
No, they don't need to come here.
Oh, dude, he's old. He's like a much old. I thought he was kind of younger looking. Oh, that's kind of sad, man.
They don't.
No, they don't need to come in here. But I do want you to step out of the car.
Okay. Mom. What? I just got pulled over. They said that I was smoking. They said that they smelled marijuana in the car.
You know what? That's a bunch of shit. It's a
Okay.
car.
Come on over.
Yeah. We'll come down.
Just come out over.
Crazy parent shows up in 6 minutes.
You're okay?
That's Hartford PD. Like,
Yeah, this is Hartford PD.
I'm making a complaint. They're not checking my car for shit. I'm coming. I just let
Okay.
you drive.
Yeah, I'm not getting out the car.
Okay. It's a legal and lawful order, okay?
Okay.
I smell the odor of
Mom,
marijuana. I want you out of the
he's
car.
saying that he's smelling the order and he wants me out the car.
You gotta be kidding me.
So I'm gonna get arrested because somebody called in and said somebody said I was smoking marijuana.
I didn't say you're getting arrested.
You're not getting out of that car.
Why is he like guilt tripping his mom like that? He's just making it way more dramatic so that she like cares more. What a weird guy.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Understand that your mom is not here. You're an adult. You can make a decision. The decision that I'm giving.
He's like an adult, like a grown ass man. Like, wow. Look, such a childlike behavior though. That's like what a 12-year-old would do.
You is that I smell marijuana coming from the vehicle and I'm going to search the car. I don't want
He
you in the
said that
car.
he's gonna search the car.
Okay?
You know, I'm saying, oh, I'm the owner of the vehicle. He's not searching my shit at all.
I'm asking you to exit the car.
I don't know what's going on.
Is there anything
I'm
that
at the gas station.
Is there anything that I can say for you that will make you exit the car at this moment?
Listen, sir. I was not smoking marijuana. I have done nothing.
62420.
I don't know.
No, put it in park.
Whoa. Okay. He's definitely lying. Oh, wow. That's a really bold move to do right in front of a cop with your door open.
Put it in park. Put it in park. Get out of the car. Get out of the car now. Mom! Get out of the
Oh my god, he's in the car?
Derek in the car.
He's how did he get in the car?
Put it stop right now! Put it stop right now! Get out of the car! Mom! Mom! Get out, Derek, get out of the car now!
He just keeps screaming mom. That's so embarrassing.
You need a taste! You need a taste!
Yeah, tase him.
Okay! Put it in park! Okay! Okay! Get out of the f***ing car! I will light you up! Get out of the f***ing car right now! Get out of the car!
Ooh. Look at that.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Do not jump me!
Oh my.
Do not jump me! Chase him! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now!
Ah, there we go.
Get on the ground now! Get on the ground now!
Ah, does it make you a psychopath to like watching people get tased? Cause I'm not gonna talk about that.
Your head behind your back!
22 taser deployment. So we're trying to take off the inside the vehicle.
What was the plan? There was nothing you were gonna be able to do there. I mean, I feel like you just take it. It's just a search or a ticket. Even if it's a little, unless it's a whole bunch of weed, unless this dude was like trafficking. But I still don't think he's smart enough. Probably had a tiny little bit of weed. Maybe been okay. But wow. Whew.
Put your head back now!
You want to get zapped again!
Is the car in park?
Does it look like they need any help? It's completely fine. He's all tased up. It's good. They have handcuffs on him. Is everything good? Do you guys need middle-aged man's help? A random middle-aged man?
Thank you. Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
You good?
You?
That's bullshit. I don't smoke weed.
Are you hurting anyway?
Yeah.
Where are you
He's
hurt?
gonna die to go take that to his grave. He don't smoke weed. That's great. He probably has to, right? Or were they really just playing around?
I know that you got a taser dart in your hand.
Would you like to call an ambulance out for you?
Yeah, let's do it.
622 County.
This all happened before the parent even showed up. It's been less than 6 minutes. That's crazy.
Putting chest pain. Also taser deployment.
While the suspect may now be in custody, the chaos is far from over, as the suspect's stepdad is now on the way to the scene.
Sit up. Why'd you try and choke me, man?
So that gives you right to try
How much money is that?
and take off the cop of the car?
I don't smoke weed. You're harassing me for nothing.
Do you realize you made a big deal over a ticket now to felony charges now? I hope you know that. Hey, we're gonna stand you up.
Yeah, he probably would have been in and out. He probably would have been totally fine. Those crazy dudes. I mean, he didn't do nothing. I wonder what he was doing though. I mean, acting weird.
You gonna throw up?
Please get my drink out the car.
We're gonna stand you up. Lean up against that thing over there, okay? Bring your legs in.
Please get
Ooh,
my
he
drink
bleeding.
out.
Was that blood?
Okay? Bring your legs in.
Or the
Please get my
tasers?
drink
I think
out.
that was the taser prongs.
Can I please get
I got an ambulance
Can
coming
I
for you,
please
okay?
get my drink, please?
You have a seat in the
Yeah,
back of a
please.
squad car. The ambulance can give you something.
Sir, can you please get my soda?
No.
Please?
No. Let's
Dude,
go.
it's a soda.
Stop.
Dude. Do I get tased again? Do you want to get tased again?
Why are you doing this? How are you doing this to me, bro?
Spread your feet.
Anywhere else in your hurt? Hand hurt?
Well,
Yeah, there was a prong right in his hand. That would put you down. Ain't grabbing, ain't running, ain't none of that.
he took off in the car with me in it. Both tased him. He got a taser in his probe in his hand.
Anybody else with him?
No.
Not when I
He
stopped him.
almost rammed his squad car with me in it.
Dude, I bet he wanted that soda so bad, and now he can't have it. I'd be devastated.
DJ, I don't want him sitting on his hands in my car if he's got a probe in there.
There's one in there and one in his chest.
Oh, they didn't even take him out yet, so that was blood on the floor. Okay. One from where?
Got him.
Ooh.
I don't smoke weed. Okay. God, please give me a drink.
He does a little bit more than that.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I'll stuck your sweatshirt. One in your hand, okay?
I say, dude.
I bet that hurt.
Look at me. What was your first name again? What's that?
Oh man, that was all 4 minutes of action. That's crazy.
Brandon?
Brad.
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 Brad. Hey, Brad. Why you shutting your eyes on me? Did you take some?
I don't feel it.
What'd you take?
Hurt, man.
What'd you take, Brad?
I'm on heroin, but I'm hurt.
Okay. When was the last time you used?
A little bit ago.
I gotta give you some Narcan?
No, you don't. I'm not hurting from the heroin, man. I'm hurting from that taser, bro.
Well,
my chest is on fire.
It's hard to feel bad for him. I mean, that was like some crazy activity. Like what what kind of sane person?
how much did you use?
Not a lot at all, dude. I took like 2 hits, bro. I'm not even enough to not be sick for a little bit longer.
Heroin or fentanyl?
Heroin. No, I smoke it. I'll be sick for a little bit longer. I mean,
You're smoking some?
Yeah, he probably was just acting weird, like tweaking and doing stuff and scaring people.
Heroin?
yeah. You know, hey man, be honest with me, bro. You don't smell weed.
I did.
That's impossible, bro. I haven't smoked marijuana in like.
I don't lie to people about that.
Okay, but listen, I haven't smoked marijuana in a year and a half. So I don't know how you smell marijuana. I might look suspicious. I had the music loud. I got a lot of money and I pull it out at the cash register. Maybe that was something, but there's no f***ing marijuana, bro.
Okay. I don't know why I was smelling it, but I was smelling it.
That shouldn't even be a legal problem, pause. Anybody can say that. I can say you're black, so I'm gonna search his car. You know what I mean? It's the same.
No, I would never make that assumption.
If somebody pulled you over and said, I smell marijuana, you know damn well you don't smell.
Dang. I wonder if it really was weed anywhere. Are they gonna ever find the weed, the mystery weed?
I wouldn't lie to you about
That's
that.
some bullshit, bro. Can I do a little bit of that, bro?
Hell no.
I know it's crazy, but I'm going through it, bro.
Can I do a little of that, bro? To a cop?
This is the worst fucking addiction I ever had. My life is hell. If anything, this is doing me a fucking favor. I apologize for pulling off. I'm scared, man. I'm on probation. Thank you.
Oh yeah, he's done.
They straight them out for me, bro.
Well, you're missing a lens here.
Oh, yeah. Would you be able to grab that lens, please?
If I can find it. If we find
It's
it.
on the floor
That
somewhere. I'm
thing's
sorry, man.
smashed, man.
So what's bothering you right now?
My chest. Would you pop that or can I?
Try.
Did your chest hurt before you got...
Hell no. When I got tased, it started lighting up, burning.
Okay.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
What the hell are you guys doing?
Sir?
Back up, no.
Oh, it's the dad. Okay. Look at that stash. Here we go.
My car, my stepson, he went there to get stuff for me. What are you guys
We'll
doing?
talk to you in a second.
Like they're not allowed to do their job as police and everything. Like that's crazy. Just because it's your son, no one cares.
Apparently that's the stepdad. Take the keys for that.
Stepdad, you don't. That nobody cares, bro.
Can you move this cuff somehow, man?
Normally I would, but you tried choking me, so I don't feel comfortable with that.
The cleaner's in the car. Everything's in the car. I did nothing. I don't know.
Dude, you had drugs on you. Like real drugs on you. You didn't do nothing, dude.
You ate breakfast or lunch today?
I ate nothing today.
Is it okay if I lift up your shirt and take a picture of the taser? Where did you? No?
No.
I want to document it.
I don't give a shit what you want to do. I want to go home.
Okay. Understand that you're now under arrest for battery to a law enforcement officer, okay? So you're going to come with us to the hospital. You're going to get cleared from jail, and you're going to be jailed tonight,
Okay, can I have some water though in the meantime?
The doctor has to tell me it's okay because now you're in protective custody for that.
Okay.
And then that way, you
Oh,
know,
that's some BS. He just wants to get him back a little bit. That's some BS.
in 10 years from now, when you decide to sue me, you have proof that I
I
heard you.
won't sue you.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
I can't sue you. I didn't know what to do, man.
I told you what to do.
Get out the car, but then I'm going to jail either way. I got fucking heroin on me. The struggle is real for heroin. That's all I care about.
You're being charged with that.
Then it sounds like he's just like not even trying to do anything about it, which I guess, you know, it's probably really hard at that point. He seems deep in it, you know, carrying that, saying 2 hits ain't that much. Woo.
Better to law enforcement.
The heroin's not gonna go away.
Right, right. But I'm not charging you with attempted homicide.
I mean, I guess, yeah, I appreciate it. I panicked. I don't know what to do.
Brad was charged with felony
Why was he screaming for his mom though? Like, what kind of? How did you still doing that when you're like? He looked like he's like 38, like late 30s.
possession of narcotic drugs, felony resisting causing bodily harm, felony attempting to disarm a peace officer, and resisting obstructing. The charges
Dang, that's it. It was so much worse when you like saw it. That's crazy. I mean, wow. I guess that's why they do background checks, huh?
of possession of narcotic drugs and attempting to disarm a peace officer were dismissed, while he pleaded no contest to the other resisting charges. He was
How did it get dismissed? He obviously had. Oh, you know what? It was probably the probable cause. They're probably like, yeah, no weed was found, so we don't know. We can't say it was a legal search. Okay. So he probably didn't even get that long. Well, actually, obstructing a police officer and then, you know, resisting is
to
What is it?
disarm
What do
a
you
peace
get for
officer
that?
were dismissed, while he pleaded no contest to the other resisting charges. He was sentenced to 1.5 years in prison
Oh.
and 3 years of extended supervision.
Dude, that's it? That's it? And then he's back out? Wow.
We hope Brad finds the help he needs.
They believe that people know they need help but don't know how to take the first step. Sometimes this step isn't a counselor or a confession. It's a police officer pulling them over.
Dude, I love his videos. He does such a good job. And then the next one that we have is going to be when cops have to arrest their bosses.